channel. This is Godson Graphics. If you've not subscribed, if you're a new watcher, please make sure you subscribe. And if you've been here before, you've not subscribed, please ensure you subscribe so that you can be notified when I release new videos and enjoy the videos and learn together with me. Okay, today I'm teaching you typography. So once you open your layout, come to text tool. This is text tool with a T, or simply press T wherever your tool is to go down to text tool. Then you have it looking like this. You have options here. You can write it horizontally, you can write it vertically. Same thing with this one, but then the major ones are this one and this. The first two there are the major ones. So the first one is a normal text tool. Just click on it and type anything you want. Now you can see that this is not showing, and the major reason is because my text is in white, my background is white. Look at it up here, white. Just click on that. Let's make it black. Then now it's showing. To your move tool, simply press V. Then you can drag it down to wherever you want it to be. Now your text tool has, let me reduce the size of this. You can look at this one that looks like AI. It's not AI, but it's designed for character. You can simply click on it to edit your text. If you don't have it in your own, come to Windows, then look for character. It is selected here in my own. All of these tools here can be used to enhance your designs. So come to character, click on it. I have mine already, so it's going to appear here. And then you can decide the kind of fonts that you want. So, some fonts come with Photoshop, and you can download and install fonts if yours is not. If you need a font that is not already on Photoshop. Most fonts are not already on Photoshop, so you can download and use your own custom fonts. You can get fonts from 101fonts.com. This is Black Mustang. Okay. So you can make your fonts, your text, to be center aligned, left aligned, or right aligned. The meaning of that is that, let's say this is my text now. This one now is center aligned. If I'm going to edit it, it will start typing from the middle. Like that. But if the text was right, it was left aligned. Let me drag this here. So if I start typing, if I want to edit it now and I start typing, to start typing from the left, my text was left aligned. Let me bring it back to the center. If I start typing, it will be right aligned, just like that. That is how that works, and that will help you to keep your designs aligned. Assuming you are making a lot of designs, and then you are keeping all of them aligned to one side. So if you are editing anyone, you will not just start looking for the alignment and all, because it's going to come in aligned. Oh, this is right aligned. Let's make this left aligned, so you can see what I was talking about. If I'm editing this guy now, I will need to just be looking out for align it, because it is already aligned. I hope you understand that. Now, let me delete this. Come here, and now this text, your text has different classes, different types of fonts. We have about 3 major ones, although Photoshop has given us a lot of them here. but majorly it's three. We have the serif fonts, we have the sans serifs, and we have the handwritten fonts. The serif fonts are the ones that have serifs. The sans serif fonts are the ones without serif. Okay, so serifs are this circle, this small, this extra extension that this text have. Let me circle that. Okay, so these extensions, this one here, this one here, those are serifs, and any fonts that has that those extensions are called serif fonts. Now the other ones are the sans serifs. Sans actually means none, that is no serif. See that now? So they are smooth fonts, just like that. So you have to be careful when using a serif font and a sans serif font together. Usually, if you are going to use them together, you have to make sure that you are not mixing more than two together, because it will make your design look scattered. You can use your serif fonts for your headings and use your sans serif fonts for your normal text. It goes very well that way. So the other option here is the vertical text. So this way you can easily type horizontally. Hold on, let me delete this so we can have enough space to express ourselves. So you can easily type horizontally. Track down, and then you can see your font came in perfectly. If you flip the font, it will be slightly different from this. Let me check that. Okay, so if I was to flip it, let me see if it will be the same. Oh, apparently it's the same as flipping the font. But then that saves you the trouble of flipping. I hope you understand that. Thank you for watching. I think I'll be stopping here. If you learned something, drop a comment about what you learned, what you would like me to record next, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And yeah, one more thing before I go. This is the size. You can always change the size. If the size is too big, if it's too small, you can always change the size here or here, whichever one is available on your own Photoshop. You can always change the color here, color of your text. Just click on this. Make sure you're on the layer panel on the text, then move the color to wherever you want it to be, and then you will see the effect done on your text. This is usually the font family of each font. Some fonts have a lot of family, like the Montserrat font. Montserrat has up to, let me show you Montserrat. Montserrat, as you can see, you have a lot of options with the Montserrat. You can use the thick one, you can use the very thin one, the light one, medium, semi-bold, and all. This is all of the family for Montserrat. You can use a number of them in your design. All still the same font. It flows very well. You can decide to make your font bolder with these. You can decide to use a slanted or put your font in italics. You can make them all capital with these. I typed all of mine in capital, so it shouldn't be obvious even if I remove that. If your font was in short, was in all of these options are going to enhance your font. Underscore, and all of that, underline and cancel effect and all of that effect. Now this one is to increase the space between your fonts, within each letter. You see that? You can increase it more than 200. You can always do whatever you want on Photoshop. This one is the space in between each line. Now this will not be so obvious until I type something else. Let me bring this down. Now the space between each line, you see that increase now, like that. Hope you understand. Now you can increase the height of your font with this. Let's make it 200. So our font became longer. Although this is not advisable, you can easily get a font that looks longer. So that should be all for now. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.